Welcome, tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. You're tuned into Mapping the AI Frontier, where we navigate the treacherous waters of GenAI startups without capsizing our sense of humor.
That's right, Mark. We're like the GPS of the AI world, but instead of recalculating every 5 seconds, we're remapping the landscape of artificial intelligence.
Speaking of mapping, today we're charting a course through the choppy seas of talent acquisition and retention. We'll be exploring how to create growth and development pathways that'll make your GenAI startup more magnetic than a neodymium alloy to top talent. Tom, remember when career paths were as straight as an arrow? Well, in the world of GenAI, they're more like a Jackson Pollock painting. Chaotic, unpredictable, but ultimately beautiful.
Absolutely, Mark. It's like trying to play 3D chess while riding a roller coaster. We need to think in terms of skill maps and evolving competencies. It's less about climbing a ladder and more about navigating a complex web of opportunities.
Exactly. And that's where our trusty Wardley Maps come in handy. By visualizing current and future states of skills and roles, we can create flexible pathways that evolve faster than a chameleon in a disco. Now here's the kicker, Mark. In the world of GenAI, today's cutting-edge skills might be tomorrow's stone tools. We're talking about a field that moves faster than a caffeinated cheetah.
You're not wrong, Tom. It's like trying to hit a moving target while riding a unicycle. That's why we need to focus on developing adaptability and a growth mindset. It's not just about what you know, but how quickly you can learn.
Absolutely. I once heard a tech leader say, in GenAI, your ability to learn is more important than what you already know. It's like we're all perpetual students in the University of AI, where the curriculum changes every semester. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the AI in the algorithm. Ethical considerations in AI development are becoming more crucial than ever.
You're right, Mark. It's not just about creating smart AI anymore. It's about creating wise AI. Incorporating ethics training into development pathways is like giving your team a moral compass in a digital wilderness.
Exactly. It's like teaching your AI to not just pass the Turing test, but also the don't be evil test. Plus, it's a great way to attract conscientious talent who want to make a positive impact on the world. Now let's dive into our Wardley Map analysis. Tom, can you pull up that map we prepared? It's like a treasure map, but instead of X marking the spot, we have AI marking the future.
Got it right here, Mark. Folks, imagine a map where the X-axis represents evolution and the Y-axis represents value chain. Our GenAI startup is sailing these waters, trying to navigate between the Scylla of technical innovation and the Charybdis of talent development.
I see what you did there with the Greek mythology reference, Tom. Very clever. Now, looking at this map, we can see that our startup has strong technical capabilities. That's over here in the product section. But there's a gap in the people section, particularly in talent development and ethical AI practices.
Exactly, Mark. It's like we've built a high-tech spaceship, but forgot to train the crew. The map shows we need to shift our focus towards creating robust growth pathways and implementing advanced learning systems.
And don't forget about ethical AI, Tom. See how it's positioned here? It's evolving from a nice-to-have to a must-have. By leading in ethical AI practices, our startup can differentiate itself in this crowded market.
Absolutely. The Wardley Map is telling us that the key to success lies in balancing technical innovation with strategic talent development and ethical considerations. It's like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle. Challenging, but impressive when you get it right.
Well, there you have it, folks. Creating growth and development pathways in GenAI startups is less about building a career ladder and more about weaving a web of opportunities. Remember, in this field, adaptability is your superpower, ethics is your shield, and continuous learning is your fuel.
Couldn't have said it better myself, Mark. And let's not forget the importance of Wardley mapping in this process. It's like having a GPS for your startup's future, minus the annoying, recalculating voice.
That's right, Tom. So, dear listeners, go forth and map your way to success. And remember, in the world of GenAI, the only constant is change. Well, that and our weekly podcast. Until next time, keep learning, Stay ethical, and may your AI be ever in your favor.